Hello everyone, welcome to ePatia videos. In this particular session, we'll be discussing about Indian states and the union territories. So we'll be discussing about the Indian states and their capital cities. And also we'll come across the chief ministers of that particular state and union territories and the languages spoken in that particular state. So this GK questions, this general knowledge, it is useful in all the competitive exams like SSC CGL, CHSL, banking and for all other competitive exams. So kindly focus on the class and crack the competitive exams easily. So currently we have 8 union territories. So let's study about this 8 union territories first and then get into the states. The 8 union territories are Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh, which were recently made into union territories. Initially it was a state. And next comes Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. So Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu, it was a separate union territory, but it was merged recently to make this two union territory as one union territory. Next comes Lakshadweep, Puducherry, New Delhi, Chandigarh and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So these are the 8 union territories. So let's discuss in detail one by one about all these 8 union territories. So let's discuss about Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So we know that this is a union territory and the capital of Andaman and Nicobar Islands is Port Blair, and the Lieutenant Governor and Administrator of this Andaman and Nicobar Island is Admiral D.K. Joshi. He is the Lieutenant Governor, and Andaman and Nicobar, it is known as India's Hawaii, and it is known for its history during British Raj. And also here are extremely isolated tribal peoples, so where we can't enter to that particular isolated tribal people's place. Next is Chandigarh. So the capital of Chandigarh is also Chandigarh only, and the Lieutenant Governor is VP Singh Badnor. The next union territory is Jammu and Kashmir. So we know Jammu and Kashmir, it has 2 capital cities, Srinagar. So in summer, Srinagar is considered as capital, and in winter, Jammu will be the capital city. And the Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir is Shri Girish Chandra Murmu. And Jammu and Kashmir, it is known as India's Switzerland. So it has valleys, rivers and caves. It is best known for sapphire, saffron, apples and houseboats. So the pilgrimage site in Jammu and Kashmir is Amarnath and Vaishno Devi. So next comes Ladakh. So the capital of Ladakh is Leh, and the Lieutenant Governor and Administrator is Sri Radha Krishna Mathur. So the next union territory is Lakshadweep. The capital of Lakshadweep is Kavaratti, and the Lieutenant Governor and Administrator is Sri Dineshwar Sharma. He is an IPS officer and he is the administrator of Lakshadweep. Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. So the capital city is Silvassa, and the Lieutenant Governor and Administrator of this union territory is Praful Patel. So the capital of Dadra and Nagar Haveli is Silvassa, and the capital of Daman and Diu is Daman only. So next comes New Delhi. So the capital of New Delhi is New Delhi itself, and the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi is Shri Anil Baijal. He is a Lieutenant Governor and the Chief Minister of New Delhi is Arvind Kejriwal. So we know that Delhi, it is capital of India, and our Rashtrapati Bhavan, so where our president resides, our Rashtrapati Bhavan is also in Delhi only. So next comes Puducherry. So Puducherry, it is also a union territory and the capital is also Puducherry only. And the lieutenant governor and administrator is Dr. Kiran Bedi. She is an IPS officer, retired IPS officer, and she is the lieutenant governor of Puducherry right now. So now let's discuss about the states in India. Himachal Pradesh, the capital is Shimla, and the languages spoken here is Hindi and English. The chief minister is Jai Ram Thakur. So Himachal Pradesh, it is known for snow leopards. So this is one of the dying breeds of Central Asian leopard. So the next state is Punjab. The capital of Punjab is Chandigarh, and the language spoken here is Punjabi, and the chief minister is Amarinder Singh. So Punjab is known for its largest producer of wheat, and there is a Gurudwaras and also a golden temple, and Bhangra dance is performed in Punjab. The dance called Bhangra is performed in Punjab. It is indigenous to Punjab. Uttarakhand. So the capital of Uttarakhand is Dehradun, and the language spoken here is Hindi, and the chief minister is Trivendra Singh Rawat. So Uttarakhand is known for Jim Corbett National Park and the religious pilgrimages like Badrinath and Kedarnath is present in Uttarakhand. So next comes Uttar Pradesh. The capital of Uttar Pradesh is Lucknow, and the language spoken here is Hindi, and the chief minister is Yogi Adityanath. So Uttar Pradesh, it is known for Taj Mahal, and it is a Kasi pilgrimage place. So we can say that Uttar Pradesh, it is the heart of Indian politics. So the next state is Bihar. The capital city is Patna, and the languages spoken here are Hindi and Urdu. The chief minister of Bihar is Nitish Kumar. So Bihar, it is known for Bodh Gaya. So this Bodh Gaya, it is a place where Lord Buddha attained enlightenment. So Bihar, it is famous for Buddhist pilgrimages and historic sites. Sikkim. The capital city of Sikkim is Gangtok, and the language spoken here is Nepali. The chief minister is Prem Singh Tamang. So Sikkim, it is known for red pandas. So this red panda, it is a state animal of Sikkim. The Kanchenjunga, which is India's tallest peak, it is present in Sikkim. And also Nathula Pass, which is one of the highest roads in the world, it is called as Nathula Pass. It is present in Sikkim. So the Sikkim, it is also the only open land border with China. Arunachal Pradesh. So the capital of Arunachal Pradesh is Itanagar, and the language spoken is English, and the chief minister is Pema Khandu. So it is known for Tibetan culture, and Arunachal Pradesh, it is said to be the world's second largest Buddhist monastery called as Tawang Gompa. So next is Assam. The capital city is Dispur, and the language spoken here is Assamese language, and the chief minister is Sarbananda Sonowal. So Assam is known for its tea production and India's first oil fields and Asia's first oil refinery in Digboy. So Kaziranga National Park is present in Assam and it is famous for one-horned rhinoceros. Kamakya temple is also present in Assam. Majuli, an island called Majuli. This is the world's largest river island. This is present in Assam. Nagaland. The capital city of Nagaland is Kohima and the language spoken is English and the chief minister is Neiphiu Rio. So Nagaland is known for Naga tribals and the Hornbill festival is celebrated in Nagaland. Manipur. The capital city of Manipur is Imphal and the language spoken is Manipuri and the chief minister is N. Biren Singh. So Manipur, it is known for home to Sangai deer. Sangai deer, and it is famous for Manipuri dance and the name of the dance form is called as Jaggoi. And next comes Mizoram. So the capital city of Mizoram is Aizawl and the language spoken is Mizo and the chief minister is Zoramthanga. So Mizoram, it is known for its almost complete literacy and a friendly tribals in Mizoram and also a rare wild water buffaloes are present in Mizoram. Meghalaya. The capital of Meghalaya is Shillong. And the language spoken here is English, Garo and Khasi. The chief minister is Conrad Sangma. So Meghalaya, it is known for the largest amount of rainfall in the world, that is in Cherrapunji and Mawsynram. Rajasthan. The capital of Rajasthan is Jaipur and the language spoken is Rajasthani and the chief minister of Rajasthan is Ashok Gehlot. So Rajasthan, it is known for palaces in Udaipur and Jaipur. The tiger reserves like Sariska Tiger Reserve is present in Rajasthan and a world famous red chilies which is also known as Mathania Mirchi. It is found in Rajasthan. And also Rajasthan has camels and sand dunes. We know it is a dry area and many deserts like Thar Desert, which is also called as Great Indian Desert, it is present in Rajasthan. So that's why we can find a lot of camels and sand dunes in Rajasthan. Madhya Pradesh. The capital city of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal and the language spoken here is Hindi and the chief minister is Shivraj Singh Chauhan. So Madhya Pradesh, it is known for Khajuraho and ancient history which includes Ujjain, Sanchi and Mandu. Jharkhand. The capital city of Jharkhand is Ranchi and the language spoken here is Santali and Oriya Bengali. So the chief minister is Hemant Soren. So it is known for steel state of India. So Bokaro, Jamshedpur and Ranchi, these are the main steel factories located in Jharkhand. West Bengal, capital city is Kolkata and the language spoken here is Bengali and English and the chief minister is Mamta Banerjee. So West Bengal, it is known for the birthplace of literary legends like Vivekananda and Rabindranath Tagore. So West Bengal, it is famous for its jute cloth and the tea of Darjeeling and the Royal Bengal tigers of Sundarbans. Odisha, capital Bhubaneswar. So the language spoken here is Oriya and the chief minister is Naveen Patnaik. So it is known for the dance forms like Odissi, Chahu, Dhanda, Sambapuri and many more. So the temples like Jagannath Temple, Konark Sun Temple and Ma Samaleshwari Temple is present in Odisha. And a famous river called Mahanadi river flows through it. Chhattisgarh, Raipur. The capital city is Raipur and the language spoken is Hindi and Chhattisgarhi. And it is known for Bilal steel plant and other such heavy duty industries. So the Chitrakoot Falls, which is known as India's Niagara Falls, is present in Chhattisgarh. So the Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh is Bhupesh Baghel. Gujarat, the capital city is Gandhinagar. The language spoken is Gujarati and the Chief Minister is Vijay Rupani. So Gujarat, it is known for the birthplace of iconic leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and Jinnah. So the one of the world's only reserve for Asiatic lions in the Gir forest is present in Gujarat. Maharashtra. The capital city of Maharashtra is Mumbai and the language spoken is Marathi and the Chief Minister is Uddhav Thackeray. So Maharashtra, it is known as a financial center. So the city called Mumbai, it is known as a financial center. The production of cotton and sugarcane is famous in Maharashtra. And the Bollywood movies are being taken in Maharashtra. Ajanta and Ellora caves are also present in Maharashtra. Telangana. The capital city of Telangana is Hyderabad. And the language spoken here is Telugu and Urdu. The Chief Minister is K. Chandrasekhar Rao. So Telangana is known for India's youngest state and Charminar is present in Hyderabad and Telangana, it is a state which is a mix of ancient Islamic as well as ancient Indian heritage. Andhra Pradesh. The capital city of Andhra Pradesh is Amaravati. So the language spoken here is Telugu and Urdu. The Chief Minister is Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy. So Andhra Pradesh, it is known for a Tirupati, which is a spiritual capital of Andhra Pradesh. And the art form of Andhra Pradesh is Kuchipudi. Massive rivers like Godavari and Krishna flows through Andhra Pradesh. In Andhra Pradesh, it is also famous for rice production. Karnataka. So the capital city is Bengaluru and the language spoken here is Kannada. The Chief Minister is B.S. Yediyurappa. So Karnataka, it is known for beautiful architectures, nature safaris, forest, Mysore culture and Bangalore, the capital city Bangalore, it is said the technology park it is also called as a IT hub. Kerala. The capital city of Kerala is Thiruvananthapuram and the language spoken here is Malayalam and the Chief Minister is Pinarayi Vijayan. So Kerala, it is known as God's own country. So Ayurvedic medicines are famous in Kerala. Rubber plantations and coconuts are also famous in Kerala. Goa. So the capital city of Goa is Panaji and the language spoken here is Konkani, Marathi and English. The Chief Minister is Pramod Sawant. So Goa, which has only two states, North Goa and South Goa, and it is famous for its beaches and forts. Goa, it is also a smallest state in India. And finally, Tamil Nadu. So the capital city is Chennai and the language spoken here is Tamil. So it is known for UNESCO World Heritage Sites like Great Living Chola temples and the group of monuments at Mahabalipuram. It is famous for Carnatic music and the art form is Bharatanatyam in Tamil Nadu. Many automobile factories are present in Tamil Nadu and it is famous for Nilgiri trees. Nilgiri trees as well as Nilgiri teas also. So let's see some of the general knowledge questions based on Indian states and union territories. So which is the largest state in India? So Rajasthan, it is said to be the largest state in India with 3,42,238 square kilometer. Which is the smallest state in India? Goa, it is said to be the smallest state in India with 3,702 square kilometer. So I also said that it has only two states, North Goa and South Goa. So name the state in India with highest population. Uttar Pradesh is a state in India with highest population. Name the state in India with least population. Sikkim is a state in India with least population. So the most literate state in India is Kerala. The least literate state in India is Bihar. The state that has its boundaries with 7 states and 2 countries. So there is one state in northeastern part of our country. It has a neighboring states of which is joined with 7 states. It is also joined to 2 other countries. The state is called as Assam. The 2 countries are Bhutan and Bangladesh, where it is connected through a land border. So name the state that is surrounded on its 3 sides by Bangladesh. So Tripura is the only state which is surrounded 3 states, that is 3 sides by Bangladesh. State that is surrounded by 1 state and 3 countries is Sikkim. State with the longest coastline is Gujarat. So this is all about Indian states, their capital cities, chief ministers and the language spoken in that particular state. The next session will be discussing about some other general knowledge topic. Thank you.